We all want our plants to grow faster and our harvests to come quicker. Well, this is the way to do it with beans. This year, I pre-germinated my beans. That means I had them sprout before I put the seeds directly into my beds. Let me show you how I did that. I took a damp paper towel, spread out some seeds, covered the damp paper towel with a little bit of loose plastic, kept it on my counter out of the sun for maybe 3 or 4 days, and they all sprouted. Then I took the sprouts and I planted them into my bed. And I did this in a succession. So all of my beans didn't come up at the same time. So I have some rolling harvests. And let me tell you, they came up quicker than they've ever come up before because they were pre-germinated. So this is especially great for me because I have a fairly aggressive pill bug population. And in past years, after soaking the seeds overnight, I have direct sowed them. And I have had maybe a 50% failure of germination because the pill bugs were going after those really young sprouts. So pre-germinating got the plants going much quicker, got them to a state where the pill bugs would leave them alone. They were just a little bit woodier, a little bit stronger than what they would, basically go after as a more tender seedling. So let me go ahead and plant some of those pre-germinated beans in some of the bare spots that I see so you can see just how easy it is. So I have this pre-germinated seed right here. You can already see roots growing out. So I now know that I'm going to place the seed down so the roots are pointing downward and the shoot will come up. So let's put it maybe right here. Just a little hole, place it in, pat it down. I'll water that, and literally, guys, that is how easy it is. So I take another one. See this? I have the start of a root here. I'm gonna make a little hole here, put it in the ground, pat it down. Within 24 to 48 hours, you are going to see that plant emerging, ready to power through and grow for the season. I already have some flowers here that are blooming. The pollinators are buzzing about. I am growing 3 kinds this year. I have purple teepee, which are, your standard sort of green bean, but they're this beautiful purple color. They don't stay purple after you cook them, but if you serve them raw, they will. I'm growing one of my favorites, borlotti beans, and also dragon tongue, these beautiful flat beans that have this pink marbling. I hope this tip helps you guys. Check out my home gardening playlist for more garden videos.